Hey y'all, it's Ceci Cierra back with another wig review / how to. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Okay, today we're gonna start with freshly washed hair. I didn't really put a lot of products in because I knew I was just gonna be putting gel and got to be glue. Y'all see my inches though? Yes. Okay, so we're gonna be doing this Drawstring Ponytail by Timeless Outre. Her name is Amy, and I got her in the color 1B because why would I get any other color? Period. This is the card that it comes with, the instructions. It shows you how to put on the ponytail, but I mean, really, it's really simple. I'm gonna show you. So when I first took the hair out, the little net thing that it comes with, it's really soft. Like, it's just really soft. And it comes very uniformed, but we're gonna fix that. So I'm just showing you how the string works, how much it extends. So now I'm just gonna part my hair. I haven't put any products in it. That's just conditioner. I only cold wash my hair. So I'm just gonna part it where I want my side part. We're doing a side part, low ponytail. And I don't like dipping my hand in the gel container, so I just use the end of my toothbrush, rub that on my hand, and then apply that to my hair. I just don't like the feeling of product on my fingernails. I don't fuck with it. You're just gonna smooth it down, and if your hair is dry, this will probably be harder because my hair is kind of thick in the middle. So I just wet it to get it as smooth as possible. Usually when people do this, the hair is pressed or permed, but yeah. So that was using the Eco Styler, the green one, and now I'm using the Got To Be Glue just for a more sleek look. Taking my hard brush, very hard brush, like, don't use a soft brush trying to do this because your hair won't lay down all the way. And Got To Be Glued is very sticky, so a couple times I wiped my hands on, I just use baby wipes when I'm just trying to fix a mistake. So I just wipe my hands on that. Make sure you get your kitchen. Don't matter if you think it's gonna be covered or not. Pay attention to your kitchen. I'm just gonna swoop it just a little. It lays as smooth as possible. To be honest, I could have kept brushing my hair. I didn't notice it, but you know, like, it's natural. The hair is natural, like kinky. So like your hair texture is it's just gonna match with it, even if it's not like smooth all the way. It's gonna look fine. Just smooth it with my hands. I'm gonna put my scarf on. And I'm thinking to leave this on maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Because Got To Be Glued dries fast, as I told you guys before. And we're back. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the scarf off. I've only had it on for maybe 5 minutes. Now we're ready to put the ponytail on. Well, first, I'm just gonna brush it out because I just rather it look messy than super uniform, but not too messy, if that makes sense. And we're just gonna clip it to the top of your ponytail. It comes with one clip, so on the top and one clip on the bottom, and then the adjustable strap. So just put the top, then the bottom. It's easy to distinguish the two. Then just play with it a little bit. Now I'm just adjusting it even more because I didn't want my hair to stick out on the side. So yeah, and this is how it looks. Very simple, very simple. This is how it looks. See, even though I didn't smooth down the back of my head all the way, because that's where my hair gets really rough, that it still looks very natural. Like, this could be my hair. And I'm just gonna take a strand, wrap it around, just to tighten it and give it that secure, like, okay, even if it might fall off, or even if it unclip, it's not gonna fall off. So I'm taking a bobby pin and just doing that. And to be honest, I couldn't figure out how to get the string to hide, so I just super tightened it, and then I just let it hang, because the hair is so long that nobody should be that close to where they can see that. So I really like it to the side. Yeah, just keep brushing out the curls, finger brushing out the curls. I wouldn't recommend using a wig brush or any type of brush. And now I'm going to use the Eco Styler and the toothbrush just to swoop the front. I just don't like when it's just a regular, like, to the side. I just like to give it some swoop effect. It makes me feel like my hair really did. So first I go over my edges with the Eco Styler, just to give it the shape that I'm looking for. And now I'm doing this side still. Usually edges take me a long time, but I have did this before, so I know exactly how I want to do my edges. Then I go over it with the Got2b glue, because Eco Styler makes my hair curl up after a while. So the Got2b glue serves as like a sticky base, and it's gonna make sure it lasts literally all day. No matter if you're in the heat or whatever, just use this combination. I just take the wet wipe to get off the excess makeup that might be in my hair, and I just use this hairspray to make sure, like, no flyaways or anything. And because I wear glasses, my hair tends to stick up on the sides where my ears are, so I just try my hardest, but my hair is like trained for my glasses to go there, so that's why I decide to like stick out a little. And this is what it looks like when I'm basically done. This is how long the hair is, like clearly past bra strap length, and it reaches down all the way to my butt, and I'm only 5'4". And we're done. Okay, if you like this hair, I'll leave the link down below. Make sure you don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my video, and I'll see you guys next time.